Hi everyone, greeting from St. Regis Vommuli Island. My name is Mahesh. Today I'm going to teach you amazing cocktail. It's called Caipirinha. Caipirinha is a traditional Brazilian cocktail made by muddling fresh lime and white sugar, adding cachaça rum and ice. Let's start to make Caipirinha. To get fresh lime and cut it to the equal part. Add into the glass. We are going to use 1 teaspoon of white sugar and a half. So let's start to muddle. When you muddle, just hold the glass from the bottom and try to muddle gently. So now we are going to add the cachaça rum. It's 60 ml. And then we are going to add the ice. Just give a little bit stir it. Then garnish with lime wedge.